Right, two sizes of square tiles are used to make these two patterns, and we've got two patterns there. What would be the length of a pattern made using two large and two small tiles? Well, on the face of it, you might think, because we've got shapes here, it might be a question about shapes of trigonometry, but in effect this is about simultaneous equations. Because we know the lengths of these two tile patterns, then we can actually work out what the individual length of each tile is. So if we say, for instance, that the large tile is length x and the small one is length y, we can create two equations. So let's say large tile is length x and small one length y. Therefore, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7x plus 3y equals 246 centimeters. We've also got 5x plus 2y equals 174. There are a few ways we can solve these equations, but what I like to do is multiply the top one and the bottom one so that we can actually remove either the x's or the y's. And what I see here is by multiplying everything at the bottom by 3 and everything at the top by 2, we can get rid of the y's. So what that gives us is you can do anything you like as long as you do it to both sides of the equation. So we're going to multiply the top one by 2, and what that gives us is 14x plus 6y equals 492. And we're going to multiply both sides of the equation for the bottom one by 3, and what that gives us is 15x plus 6y equals, and 3 times 174 is 522. And what we're going to do now is take away this from that equation there, and so what we're left with is 14 minus 15x is minus x. Let's keep the equals there. So 6 minus 6 is 0, so it disappears. 492 minus 522 is minus 30. So x equals 30 centimeters. We get that by multiplying both sides by minus 1. Substituting x into one equation, we get 5 times 30 is 150. We're going to substitute it into the second equation, plus 2y equals 174. Taking 150 from both sides, we get 2y equals 24. Therefore y is equal to 12 centimeters. But we're asked what the length of a pattern made of 2 large and 2 small tiles is. So therefore 2 large and 2 small tiles will be length so 2 times 12 is 24. Let's write it out fully. 2 times 12 plus 2 times 30. Okay, and that is equal to 24 plus 60, so it'll be 84 centimeters. By the way, we can check back the results for y and x into the first equation. So if we put x back into the first equation, that's 7 times 30 is 210, plus 3 times 12 is 36, so 210 plus 36 is 246, so that works out.